In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train Perplexity AI for industry-specific research. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, craft precise prompts for your field, and use follow-up questions to guide the tool so it consistently matches your research style. First, open a Perplexity account. Signing in ensures your conversations are saved, so you can return to ongoing research, compare results over time, and build on previous threads without losing context. Use your preferred sign-in method and confirm everything works on the device you'll use most. Once you're in, you're ready to shape the experience around your industry. Next, enter specific prompts on the topic you want to research. The more concrete your request, the better the output. Give Perplexity clear context, scope, and deliverables. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about renewable energy," try this. Provide an overview of the US renewable energy storage market for 2025 to 2030. Focus on lithium-ion suppliers, market size estimates with sources, major regulatory changes, and emerging risks. Summarize key players and cite recent reports. If you prefer a certain tone or format, say so up front, such as, "Write concisely for an executive audience," or "Explain like I'm new to this field." You can also anchor it to your niche by naming sub-segments, regions, customer types, or use cases. Asking for sources, dates, and any assumptions used will help you verify accuracy and maintain rigor. Now, use follow-up questions to refine the result and align it with your taste for researching. Think of this as an iterative conversation where each follow-up sharpens the lens. If the overview is too broad, ask it to narrow to a specific region, revenue band, or technology tier. If you see conflicting numbers, request a comparison of methodologies across sources. When jargon appears, ask for plain language definitions. If you need more depth, ask for a deeper dive on pricing dynamics, supply chain constraints, or regulatory timelines. If you need brevity, request a tight summary or a one-paragraph executive brief. You can also ask it to generate an outline for a report, extract key quotes from sources, or list open questions that require validation. As you keep prompting in this style, clarifying your criteria, calling out what worked, and correcting what didn't, you're effectively training Perplexity to mirror your preferences within the conversation. To wrap up, the process is simple. Open your account so your work persists, craft highly specific prompts tied to your industry, and then guide the tool with targeted follow-ups until it consistently delivers the depth, tone, and evidence you expect. Keep iterating, and Perplexity will become a reliable partner for industry-grade research.